Ni hao Shui Shengman. Welcome to Delhi School of Languages. Let's learn Chinese with Simran. Today we are going to do lesson 11 of basic Chinese course. Word meanings. Pai Ching, Beijing, Pai Ching, Tien, dot, spot, Tien, Fun Chong or fun, minutes, Fun Chong, fun, Kh, quarter, Kh, Pan, half, Pan, Xian Tsai, right now, Xian Tsai, Fei Chi, airplane, Fei Chi, Chu Tsu Che, taxi, Chu Tsu Che, Ching, please, Ching, Thing, to listen, Thing, Tu, to read, Tu, Khanchian, to look, to see, Khanchian, Shui Chiao, to sleep, Shui Chiao, Ta Tian Hua, to make a phone call, Ta Tian Hua, Tsuo, to sit, to travel by, Tsuo, Chu, live, Chu, Nung, can or be able to, Nung, Gram point, the concept of time, Tien, dot or spot. For example, 8 o'clock, 8 pa, dots of time, Tien. So 8 o'clock will be pa Tien. Repeat, pa Tien. Next, minutes. Minutes is fun or funchong. For example, 8:30. 8 pa dots tien 30 san shi minutes fun. So 8:30 in the form of minutes will be pa tien san shi fun. Repeat, pa tien san shi fun. Next point, quarter, kh. 15 minutes, first quarter, kh. 30 minutes, second quarter, kh. 45 minutes, third quarter, san kh. For example, 8:30, 8 pa dots tien 30 second quarter kh. So 8:30 in the form of quarter will be pa tien kh. Repeat, pa tien kh. Next, half time, pan. For example, 8:30, 8 pa dots tien 30 half time pan. 8:30 will be pa tien pan. Repeat, pa tien pan. Next, sentence pattern of time questions. Subject plus time question particle plus verb plus object. Now, the question arises, what is a time question particle? Yes, it is chi tian, that translates to how many o'clock or at what time. Chi tian. For example, at what time do you sleep? Subject you, ni. Question particle at what time? Chi tian. Verb sleep, shui chiao. Object, there is no object. So at what time do you sleep translates to ni chi tian shui chiao. Repeat, ni chi tian shui chiao. Next, sentence pattern of time statements. Subject plus time plus verb plus object. For example, I sleep at 10:35. Subject I, wo, time 10:35 will be 十点35分. Verb 睡觉. So, I sleep at 10:35 translates to 我十点三十五分睡觉. Repeat. 我十点三十五分睡觉. That is all about grammar. Next, conversation. 你好，你好，现在几点？现在5点半。你做什么？去北京？我做飞机去北京。明天你的飞机几点？明天上午我的飞机是几点？明天上午我的飞机是1点50分。你喜欢读书吗？我喜欢读书。谢谢，再见，谢谢，再见。Hello, hello. What is the time right now? Right now it's 5:30. How do you travel to Paiching? I travel to Paiching by plane. At what time is your flight tomorrow? My flight is at 11:50 a.m. tomorrow morning. Do you like to read books? I like to read books. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye. That's all about lesson 11 of basic Chinese course. That was all about the time sentences. Okay, 谢谢，再见。